Al, I promised you good feelings. It's coming, buddy. It's coming. Here comes the sun, Al. It's the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, I say. It's alright, Al. Lonely trade. Since we've seen profits. It's alright, Al. Smiles returning to your face. Yeah, since we've seen profits. Do-do-do-do. I say, it's gonna be alright, Al. Profits, 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 here they come, Al. Always at the top of the list. Profits, 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 here they... Ah, damn. I wanted that to go on forever. Okay, AG. AG traders, things are looking great. Your buddy Joe sees the light at the end of the tunnel. 5% just on Friday. Gee, how ironic. It almost seems as if everyone that's got the indication now's the time to step in. That pivot point at 7-11 didn't cause us any problem. Got right up above that. Now prepare yourself for a pullback. What goes up, a majority of the time will come back down to find support. I think AG is one of those stocks. We got the 20 below us, the 50s matched up with the pivot point at 7-11. If you see it drop 20 cents on Monday morning, don't freak out. No knee-jerk reactions. It's check for these support areas now. So when it happens on Monday morning, you got your iPhone in your hand, you're freaking out, you're like, that mother effer, you know, just chill up, chill. Okay, the sun's coming. It's starting to warm up. I got that nice warm inner, oh, it just feels good right now. Guys, things are looking great. Stochastics are turning up. 200 EMAs around 796, right below that $8 marker. It's not going to be too much longer. We're going to be plowing through that, especially with the stochastics. Look, relative strengths growing, MACD indicator. That's going to be above the divergence line soon. I see it coming. We want to follow the professionals. And for that stock value to jump 5% on Friday, the professionals have begun to start jumping in. Silver futures. There might have been a few of you who were getting scared last week. Like, oh my gosh, we're so close to that trend line. I know he said it's oversold. Look at those stochastics now. They're turning up. Look at the relative strength indicator shooting straight up. Things are looking great. I was not scared last week. It was just a waiting game. Just sitting around, tapping your toe. You're watching. You're like, your mother. Oh, just go up already. And that's what the market's going to try to do. It's going to try to screw with your head. Oh, which way is it going to go? It was just a waiting game. Look at Friday's candlestick. I think it was almost a 2% drop on Friday, and then everything just rallied. All the buyers started stepping in. They're probably at Large Marge's Cafe at the end of the street at lunch going, okay, today's our day, yeah. What's Jimmy doing from Goldman Sachs? He's buying today. Okay, let's all buy. And I see it no other way. I'm looking at that bounce, and that's just an incredibly huge amount of people stepping in at one time. And why? Because it's oversold. It's on support. It's on a trend line. I don't know. Those are my beliefs. Don't be scared. That's when they get you. DO, it's been a long, tedious trade. We were out in the cold for a long time. Just curious about what was going to happen. Is it a double bottom? How much money can we lose before we need to get out? Is there anyone that's going to argue with me that there's been nothing but buying over the past month? The 20 EMA is about to cross over the 200 in bullish manner. We're trading above the pivot point at 1343, bullish manner. Stochastics don't seem to want to drop, which means there's no sellers. That's bullish. We got that bounce off the 200 EMA, the most important exponential moving average. Is anyone going to argue with me that that bounced? Things are looking great. If you were thinking about pulling the ripcord and getting out of DO, I think you are making a huge mistake. You will not want to watch this stock a year from now if you plan on selling right now. Everyone stay strong, stand your ground. There's no reason to fear, although risk is always there. It's, we can't get rid of it. We might be able to minimize it, but it is always there. Let's not fool ourselves. But my confidence grows by the week in this one. Stay with this. Stay with us, guys. Crude oil futures. Yeah, we had a drop last week. Friday might have looked a little scary if you're just sitting there watching the oil futures. Seemed like DO held its strength while the futures dropped, which shows me DO's got a lot of strength. That's what it shows me. Yeah, we had a big drop on Friday. I couldn't care less. I see the 200 EMA right below us still. It's part of the process that the value of whatever stock or index wants to come down, find support. I wouldn't be surprised if next week you see the oil futures take a further dip till we hit that 200 EMA. You might see a large dip or huge drop, and then all of a sudden at the end of the day, the buyers will come stepping back in and to get the value right above the 200 AMA, which will then be a trigger for every buyer on earth to start going crazy and eating up whatever they can find in the oil futures, all the stocks. It's something I've witnessed many times, and I plan on seeing it again with this. I'm looking at the last two oversold areas close to the lower blue trend line, and we're close in the stochastics right now to being oversold again. Get three of them, could have a possible trend up. Just another piece of the puzzle. Stay with it, guys. Stay in your ground. Don't fear anything. US dollar futures, what I think I see is a rising wedge pattern, which will normally break to the downside. It's been a long trade. I did an hourly chart because I want everyone to see the price action around that 20-year support resistance horizontal yellow trend line. Look at how over the past few months that the price keeps going up or down to keep retesting it. This is no coincidence. The professionals are looking for targets to buy, to sell. That's what I believe it's simply to be. I know last week I had a friend saying, gosh, this damn thing just won't sell off. And on Monday, I thought Monday was going to be the day. I even took a vacation day to watch the markets. Doesn't everyone? But I got it wrong again. So I'm still confident this thing's going to drop. I got that red horizontal trend line around 91.33. That was our low close on the daily chart. I'm watching that area. I'm still expecting a waterfall sell-off, which will be a vertical line going straight down, almost as if everyone got an indication today's the day to sell. I'm expecting it still. I never know when it's going to happen. Market opens at 9:30, closes at 4. It's the only time I know. It's coming, guys. It's coming. All right, let's pick up the pace, baby. Listen, things are heating up. No one does anything stupid. No knee-jerk reactions. I feel the beat picking up, baby. Things are going to start going our way here real soon. It's going to be an uncontrollable rally. It's going to be for us. It's going to be for all the hard work, dedication we put into this. Everyone stand their ground. Fear nothing, no emotion. You're set up. It's looking good right now. You've taken your position. Just waiting for the professionals to start doing their thing. Remember, we are nothing but pawns. But we don't need to sit and follow anymore. We're going to wait for our time. It's right around the corner, baby. Chill out. Enjoy the ride. Woo! I don't feel tardy.